Oh hey, what is up guys? What is up? Super cold over here. I would say it is very cold, but hey, happy new year to everyone. Happy new year 2021. And I just want to say you something. We have survived 2020. Yes, that's very important to know. We have survived 2020 and welcome to 2021 guys. This is Aditya and you are watching the Techno Drift. Welcome back to the channel guys. This time nothing special intro or something, but I'm definitely gonna say you this. This is very important guys. This is very important. Just have a look at this. Just have a look at this. How does it look on a mask? Bro, just let me know. Sit back, relax, buckle up and enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back. Let's talk, but not tech. This time something different, something out of tech. Let's talk about it. But definitely we are gonna talk about tech in this video, but in the later part. That is in the later part. But first, let me talk about something that gave us a very negative vibe, a ton amount of negative vibe in this whole year, and that's the pandemic. And you know what? This was sort of a I would say a very huge game changer for humanity. And hey, like everyone said, like nature was healing and a new generation is going to come up and all of those things, loads and loads of things people just say, but the thing what is very important, let's face the truth guys, nature was just letting us, like nature was showing us how tiny, how small you are in this whole universe. You are like, we literally felt such power deficit in this whole pandemic. Like even having a ton amount of money felt like nothing, like we were sort of totally power deficit. But still we guys survived the 2020. I mean, it was the worst year, but we did, right? But that doesn't mean that 2021 is going to be good or exciting like something, just because the virus just got mutated and it gave to a new life form, and that one is spreading a lot faster than COVID-19 itself. You guys just need to be peculiar about your health concerns and you just need to improve your immunity. That's it. Okay, enough about those pandemic thing, enough about those negativity. I don't want to talk about it much more. Let's focus on 2021. 2021 is going to be super amazing, super exciting for us, like the tech enthusiast, and even you, the tech consumers as well. First of all, we will be experiencing under-display cameras in smartphone categories, under-display or in-display, whatever you want to say. Apart from that, we'll be experiencing flexible OLEDs. That is very important. The flexible OLEDs and also the foldable devices are going to be cheaper this year. And yeah, there will be a huge autonomous advancement also. And if you are the one who is watching from India, let me tell you, 5G is going to launch this year, and maybe it is probably going to launch the third quarter of this year. So I am super excited to use 5G. Are you excited? Just let me know in the comments. I mean, Jio has already started testing their 5G connectivity here in India, and they are already getting speeds up to 1.9 gigabits per second. That is hilarious. That is huge. I mean, just imagine. Like, can you imagine 1.9 Gbps per second? Our studio has 300 megabits per second, and that's also very good. But I'm super excited to use 1.9 GB per second. That is literally a huge number. Okay. Also, if you're a guy who is interested in cars, then OMG, I just need to say you this. Tesla is coming this year, and I'm super excited to see, even if I would get a chance, like I would definitely review one of them. Like if our state will get one of the showroom, then I'm definitely gonna go and make a review for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. If you're still watching this video, a huge happy new year 2021 to each and everyone who is watching this video from the whole team of Techno Drift. And you know what, we are super close to 400 subs. Just do it. You know what, right? A like to this video would make wonders, and if you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell just right next to it, that would mean a world to us. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. And also wait a second. If you guys want to connect with us, you can also get in touch with us in our social media platforms as well. All of the links will be there in the description below. And also a huge thank you to our Telegram group. Also you can, if you want to join our Telegram group, the link will be also there in the description below. Hey, wait. For all those Indian techie folks, I just want to let you guys know, next week we are starting our new Hindi tech channel. I mean, the link is in the description. Go check it out. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.